Hey guys, Charlie Molina here with the PDR Shop. Today I got a 2011 Nissan Frontier. We got something hit the windshield and broke the windshield, so that's been replaced. And we got a dent on the roof left over from this little incident. And so we're gonna fix this today using Paintless Dent Repair. Here we can see it from my angle. And to access this, we're gonna remove some interior trim pieces and get our PDR tools in there and fix it using the Paintless Dent Repair method. Well, to remove this interior trim, this is just held up by clips on the Nissan Frontier. There's no screws in here. There's no screws behind this panel. So we're just gonna pull it out. That pops those clips out, and do the same thing, we pop these clips out. For this damage, I'm just gonna let it hang here and have my tools slide right through here to gain access to those dents. So first, let's run the hands off. Nope, we're going to be able to use a rod for that. So I'm going to use a Blim double bended rod here. Get right up to that dent. Work it out. Even little dents like this, they don't just pop out.
I just want to take a brief moment to say thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about PDR, just leave me a comment below.
So the dent is gone, but there's a little scuff. You can see that little scuff right there, and I'm going to use rubbing compound to get that off. Where are we at? Right there. Oh, now that little scuff is off, I can see that there's a little bit of dent left.
During the PDR process, we're pushing the damage up from the bottom with our tools, and high spots need to be tapped down from the top with our knockdowns and hammers. It's completely standard and shouldn't alarm you because the way we tap down is safe for the vehicle and necessary for the best finished product.
Oh, a little tiny bit. All right, so now there's no scuff and no dent. Completely paintless dent repair. Thanks for watching, guys.